Hi, my name is Felcy Codera and I just want to share with you kung bakit ako in love sa company na Golden Lifestyle International, and of course with the amazing product that we have, which is the OxyGold and oxygenated water. So when we started in the company, sobrang dami kong doubts kasi una kong naisip paano i-market in the Philippines yung ganitong klase ng product. It's just like water, para siyang ordinary water. But little did I know, when we started this, talagang sobrang ganda po ng feedback ng mga tao na pag-sharean namin. Sobrang ganda ng mga testimonies nila. Sobrang daming natutulungan and sobrang nakakataba ng puso, yung mga sharings and testimonies ng iba-ibang tao. From bata, matanda, employed and unemployed, nung na-introduce sa kanila tong company and the products and business that we have, talagang nag-e-enjoy sila, and sila din mismo nag-share, sinishare nila kung ano yung meron dito sa company, and that's one thing na pinanghawakan ko din, bilang isa sa nag-start sa GLI, yung goodness talaga ng product, sa umpisa ma-underestimate natin siya, pero once you try it, once you feel kung ano talaga yung nagagawa nito sa body and sa health natin, talagang kaaadikan mo din siya. So I hope and I pray na kung isa ka sa nanonood ngayon, you try the product, be part of Golden Lifestyle, be part of the Golden Mission that we have in this company. So together, let us help change lives dito sa Philippines and worldwide. Thank you so much.